In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to a presentation in PowerPoint 2010. Whether you're giving a professional talk or a fun family slideshow, adding music can really elevate your presentation, making it more engaging and dynamic. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to have your PowerPoint presentation ready. This means going to your computer, finding the PowerPoint file you want to enhance with music, and opening it up. Make sure everything else is set up the way you like before proceeding to add any music. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to locate the different tabs at the top of the PowerPoint window. These tabs are basically your toolkit for customizing your presentation. For our purpose today, we'll be focusing on the Insert tab, which is where you can add a variety of elements to your slides. Click on the Insert tab to reveal a set of options you can include in your presentation. Your eyes should be drawn towards the Media section, which is where the magic happens when adding audio or video content. Within this section, look for the Audio option. This is what we'll use to insert music. Once you've clicked on Audio, you'll see a drop-down menu with a few different choices. Go ahead and click on Audio on my PC, which will allow you to upload audio files that are already on your computer. This brings us to the next step, which involves browsing through your computer files. A pop-up window will appear that lets you search your PC for the music file you want to use. Here, it's helpful to have your music saved in an easy-to-find location, like your desktop or a dedicated music folder, so you can locate it quickly. After you've found the perfect music track, click on it to select, and then hit Insert. Your music is now a part of your presentation, and you'll see an audio icon on your slide indicating the presence of your newly added music. To fine-tune when and how the music starts, you can click on the audio icon and use the playback tab. This gives you options to start the music automatically or when clicked, and you can even alter how long it plays. And there you have it. Your presentation now has its very own soundtrack, and you're all set to present. Adding music is a fantastic way to create a more immersive experience for your audience. So next time you prepare a PowerPoint, consider the added impact some well-chosen music can provide. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips useful as you create engaging and memorable presentations.